Dear students, hope all of you are doing well. Please follow my instruction, whatever I am saying now. Today, concept of multimedia is topic of chapter 5 from your book. Int- uh, I MD Sifat Rahman, lecturer, Department of ICT, Milestone College. Okay, let's start our class. After completing this class, we will able to explain the concept of multimedia, describe the method of multimedia, identify the field of using multimedia, explain the idea of presentation software, describe the technique of using presentation software. Multimedia. Human beings have been using different media of express themselves since the ancient time. Writing is an expressive medium. So are the sound and image. Multimedia is the integration of multiple forms of expressive media, such as text, graphics, drawing, photographs, videos, etc. Mediums of multimedia. We know that computers, the most popular digital device, is widely known as the calculating machine. Processing and transferring data was another important work of computer. Multimedia promised dynamic experience than that of the previous time. Multimedia is used not only in computer but also in mobile phone, smartphone, tablet. This is and the other digital device. The main mediums of multimedia. There is a wide preferences for computers and they tend to replace the conventional machine. Text. Any work is relation to written text is worldwide done on computers. At present, computers are used for all kinds of writing tasks in offices to professional printing houses. Graphics. Computers are used for graphics, design, editing, and so on. In our country, the use of computer is very limited in graphics design, painting, drawing, and even in commercial graphics included in fine arts. Video. Video is a kind of graphics. It is better to call it a moving graphics. Video is an established medium all over the world. Video has been extensively used in TV, home video, multimedia software, web, etc. Animation. Animation is a kind of graphics, but it can be either moving or static. It can be either 2D or 3D. The use of animation gradually increasing in our country. sound or audio. The whole world depends on computer for sound or audio recordings, editings, etc. Use of multimedia in ICT as teaching aid. The use of multimedia as a teaching aid is widely used. The learners will understand a topic easily if multimedia is used in the classroom. The teacher can easily make the lesson effective and interactive. Multimedia software. The multimedia software has just started being made in Bangladesh. Multimedia technology has been used in with Bangladesh 71 অবসর বিশ্বকোষ নামাজ শিক্ষা বিজয় শিশু শিক্ষা etc and so on. Digital publication. Our population is still paper based, but 21st century will definitely be the century of digital publication. Entertainment. Multimedia is widely used in most of the genres of entertainment. Advertisement. Because of the use of multimedia, advertisements have become attractive. Both real and functional elements can be shown in advertisement with the help multimedia. Games. Multimedia is extensively used in computer games or video games. Because of the multimedia, the games seem as real as live. Presentation software. It is the age of exchanging information and ensuring human welfare through free flow the information. Now, the exchanging of information among the researchers, educationists, social workers, professionals of national and international levels has been emphasized most. PowerPoint is a piece of popular software application in the Microsoft Office. Another is the uh, Picasa and Impress, so on. Opening PowerPoint program. At first, click Microsoft Office menu and okay, this is the our transition into slide menu. Lots of transition available there, and any choose as you require this transition. Inserting transition into slide, inserting transition into the text, anything else. And now the portion of the exercise. Questions for important for your upcoming and examination. So I would like to request everyone take your notebook, write this question appropriately and learn this question. Okay, let's see. These questions are questions. What is the prior invention of today's multimedia? The answer is cinema. Second one, the effect in slide is called the answer is animation. Third, which key of the keyboard is to press to display in PowerPoint presentation? The answer is F5. Number 4. Which key of the keyboard is to starting the next slide show from the middle of the presentation? Answer is Shift F5. Slides are presented one after another, and effects are used to shift from one slide to another. This effect is called transition. Any question? Just ask your subject teacher. He will answer to you. Uh, i- Another thing, you may ask any question regarding this topic. I will answer you. Thanks to all attend to this session.